Hi, my name's Rhiannon and I've been attending Janeen and Moana's Be Stage Ready seminar today, and it has been fantastic. It's so interactive. I think everyone got a chance to see what their colours were and to see how they would be styled best, and Janeen's advice and instruction on how to speak well and how to not fidget and how to prevent the inevitable ums, ahs and likes in your speech patterns is so incredibly valuable for the people that are running their own businesses. So I really advise everyone come and have a good go at it because it's a great day.
My name is Virginie. I've just been on the workshop of Be Stage Ready today with Janeen and Moana. It was so full of information.
The biggest takeaway from today was about telling stories. Really telling a story, engaging the audience, and also making a point of the story as well.
And I just want to say it was an amazing morning, great workshop. I've taken so many notes and I've got so much to work with now with regards to being stage ready for presenting my business.
My biggest takeaway is just to relax, be myself and be authentic.
My name is Cheryl Bother. I've just attended the Be Stage Ready training course. I've learned so much. I can't wait to get out there and do a presentation.
Yeah, hi, my name is Julie and I've just been at the Stage Ready workshop, and I'd just like to say this has just changed my world and I'm now stepping out.